In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page for a privacy policy and make sure it's easily accessible for your website visitors. Understanding the importance of a privacy policy page is crucial in today's digital age, where data protection is a significant concern for all online users. Not only does it help in building trust and credibility with your audience, but it also ensures you're compliant with legal requirements. So let's dive right in. First off, let's create a new page specifically for your privacy policy. Generally, your website's content management system, whether it's WordPress, Wix, or another platform, will have a straightforward way to add a new page. Look for the Add New Page button or a similar option in your website's admin dashboard. This button is usually prominently displayed under the Pages or Site section. Click it, and you'll be taken to a page editor where you can begin crafting your privacy policy. Now, your privacy policy needs to be clear, comprehensive, and tailored to your business. It's essential to outline what kind of data you collect from your users, how it's stored, and how you plan to use it. If you're unsure where to start, consider using an online privacy policy generator for a template, but remember to customize it to fit your specific needs. Once you've got your text ready, copy and paste it into the page editor where you're creating your new page. Take some time to format it properly, ensuring that headers and paragraphs are clear and easy to read. This will make the document more user-friendly and less intimidating to your readers. Once your privacy policy text is in place, go ahead and save your new page. Most platforms will have a Save or Publish button near the top of the editor. This ensures that the page will actually appear on your website. It's a small step, but double-checking that your content is saved is crucial to avoid any unnecessary headaches later on. Now, it's time to make sure that your privacy policy is easily accessible. You don't want visitors to struggle to find this information, so linking your privacy policy in your website's footer or legal menu is a smart move. For this, navigate to your website's menu settings. Your website builder will have this option under something like Navigation or Appearance Settings. Once there, look for the option to add a new link. Set the link text to Privacy Policy. And for the URL, use the link of the page you just created. In many cases, adding a link to your page is as simple as dragging the new page into the footer or desired menu location, but make sure to save your changes. Verify that everything functions correctly by visiting your website front end and click the link to ensure it directs you to the privacy policy page. And that's it! With these steps, you've successfully added